dear students. Uh, Welcome to Civics online class. So I am your Jawar sir with you. Today we are going to discuss the continue lesson. The lesson name is equality. So today we are going to discuss the continue topic. The topic name is human dignity. So dignity means self-respect. So human dignity is one of the important human right. Okay, so dignity means self-respect. So human dignity is a human right. Okay, so next uh, so that is deriving factors of human dignity is a deriving factors of fundamental right. So the fundamental right gives constitution of our country. Okay, next so dignity is the quality of being honorable. Okay, and next so noble and excellent. Okay, yeah, so these are giving dignity. Next one, the human being. Okay, yeah, is a species uh, to valuable member of our community. Community means in a society. So in a society, human being are a most important species in the world. Okay, we are discussed first one topic. So the topic is human dignity. So student clearly understood that the dignity means self-respect. Okay, so human dignity means so that human right. Okay, so the human dignity also giving that provide that. Okay, so fundamental rights. So fundamental rights, that is very important, so of our constitution. And of that, the dignity means so that the quality of being honorable and noble and excellent. Okay, yeah, so these also called as a dignity. So human being, okay, in this world, human beings are very important species, so that valuable members of the society. Okay, so that means community. Shall we move to the next one topic? So next one topic is the equal of opportunities and education. So in this world, so all the individual persons also got education. That means good education. So all the individuals also having the opportunities. Okay, chances. So what are the chances means receiving a good quality education. Okay, so that good quality education, so what is gives means okay, develop their personalities. Okay, so through the education, so we are got personality, and we need equality. Okay, so an equal treatment in the society. So these are the things. Okay, yeah, equality and so that the equal treatment in the society, these are the things we got good education. Okay, so if we treated equality, we earn the respect and dignity. Okay, so all the humans being are treated equality means so we are all earn, okay, respect and dignity. Okay, so this is a uh, uh, next one, the equality in a Indian constitution. Okay, so almost all the constitution of the countries in the world have guaranteed equality. Okay, yeah, so all the constitution. Okay, so that means all countries constitution guaranteed equality. Likewise the Indian constitutions also guaranteed equality to all citizen, providing article 14 to 18 gives the equality. Okay, article 14 guaranteed to all person equality before law. Okay, so article 14 gives the all person, all people equality before law. Next article 15 deals with the prohibition of discrimination. So that means in our society, some of the discriminate. Okay, yeah. So according to that, on the basis of caste, color, okay, yeah, races, these also we are discriminated. Okay, yeah. So Article 15 gives that the prohibition of discrimination. Next, Article 16. So, Article 16 provides the equal opportunities in the matters of employment. Okay, so all the people receive equal employment. So, provides that Article 16. Next one, so Article 17. So, that is Article 17 gives that the practice of untouchability. Okay, so next, so Article 18. Article 18, okay, so are also uh, abolishes the titles, okay, conferred to the citizen. Okay, some of the caste, okay, so persons are also called for the titles, as like that Settiyar, Encounter. So these also the titles also giving in some of the special communities. Okay, so these are the titles are also abolished. Okay, so in the Article 18. Okay, next, so the equality before law. Okay, so an equal protection of law. Okay, so these are the two things: the equality before law and equal protection of law. So that is that the strengthen the Indian Constitution under the Article of 21. Okay, so uh, some of the articles giving to Indian citizen to treat at equality. So Article 14 to 15, 14 to 18. So these are the articles provide Indian citizen treated equally. And next, so the Article 21 also uh, given or strengthened the, okay, equality. Next one, uh, so we can promote equality by, okay, so what are the promotion having? Okay, so in the terms of equality means treating or fairly. Okay, so fairly means truly. Okay, so next one, creating an inclusive culture. Okay, so all the persons following a same culture. Okay, so that kind of things we are created in the terms of equality. Next one, ensuring equal access to opportunities. All the person got equal opportunities. Okay, so within the help of equality. Next, so enabling to develop full potential. Okay, so the next, develop full potential, that is also promote by the equality. Next, making laws and policies. So these also we are having, okay, within the help of equality. Next one, education. Okay, so these are the things are promoted by the terms of equality. Next, so conclusion, the India is the largest democratic country in this world. So equality and justice. Okay, so these are the two things: equality and justice are the pillars of democracy. Okay, next, justice can be achieved when people are treated equally. Okay, so that is the first one. Equality and justice are the two pillars of democracy. Justice, okay, so that can be achieved. Okay, so when justice are achieved means all the persons are treated equally means so that justice are also achieved. Equality is so important because it preserves dignity, okay, of an individual. Equality is an important principle of our society to function. Okay, so if the society or function means most important principle is equality. Next one, so what are the things we are discussed in the lesson? So these are we are discussed in summary. The first one, uh, liberty and equality. These are the two fundamental concept of democracy. Okay. Next, all people should be equal before law. Okay, all are equal before the law, and everybody should be given equal chances and opportunities. So why we got equal chances, equal opportunities means participate in the political life. Okay, next, civil equality. So that is implies or improves the equality all before law. Okay, so that is a civil equality. And gender equality, okay, means men and women should be treated equally. Okay, so both, okay, men and women are treated equally means that is a gender equality. And various laws programs of government aim to gender equality. Okay, so that is why we are in our government, okay, providing a various laws program. Okay, so what is means so we are treated equal in gender. Okay, so that is why, uh, thank you students. uh, Today shall we recap what are the things we have learned in this period means few of the things we have learned in this lesson. Okay, first one is a human dignity, and next one is the equality of opportunities and education. Okay, next, equality in Indian constitution. So this article, what are the, okay, equality gives in constitution of India, gives in article 14 to 18 and 21 also. Next one is we can promote equality by, and conclusion, and next one is a summary. So I hope we are all understood about the lesson. So if you have any doubt means so ask immediately. So thanks for watching. Thank you.